Oh, good morning, this is Derek at Flapjack and Beans. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of clay shooting at Beverley at East Yorkshire Gun Club. ABT shooting today. This is Alan, say hello Alan to the channel.
Hello to the camera.
Yeah. And there's Pascal in here, he's the stud shot.
Oh! Well. Up! 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 Excuse me. Oh, you got that one there. That's not the hell it's got. Well. 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 Oh. 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 Well. Oh. Oh. Well. Well. Beans, Big D, going to shoot around Olympic skeet, ISU, as they call it in the trade.
Glorious sunny day.
On a glorious sunny day, East Yorkshire Gun Club. Unfortunately, he's got two old codgers with him, but we'll put up with it. Come on then, Derek.
Play your own codgers.
By the way, he's using what we call in the trade the mighty black.
Yes, the mighty carbon fibre.
Carbon fibre rib, carbon fibre trigger mechanism made by Beretta.
You can't hit him with a club.
Yeah, it makes a great golf club after a round of skeet. About to shoot his first bird on ISU skeet.
What?
Kill. Now he's going for low house. And that's a miss. Alan's pulling his leg.
Oh, that one, yeah, I didn't see that one. Oh, I'm concentrating.
We are.
Well.
Pair net. Beautiful pair killed. Beautiful pair killed. Derek on station 2 peg. It's a beautiful day today at Beverley. Oh, it used to be called Beverley. It's East Yorkshire Clay Shooting Ground now. One of the best in the UK. I would say the best. Right. Derek used to shoot a lot of skeet in his younger days. He's just started up again. But he hasn't lost his style, we can see that. Station 2, I am. Beautiful. Now we're going for the low target, what they call the low house, which is down there. Target will come out there and cross him. He's going to get a pair. Alan's on the button. There is a delay with ISU skeet.
We'll get round to
There's a release delay to make it more difficult.
Whoa!
This is high bird killed.
Whoa!
The canopy on the centre stand. There's 4 targets on this stand, there's 2 singles.
Whoa! Mark!
Yeah.
Now he gets to call a bird here, preference, so he's called for the high bird first.
Whoa!
He's called for the high house. Kill. This little low house on the right hand side. Here it is. Here's 4 targets off this one. 1 high, 1 low and a pair.
single high, single low.
You better.
Whoa! Ah!
This is where you need 100% concentration. Well, you need that on every clay actually.
Pair
But this is a pair.
Hey!
We'll shoot the low first. Yeah, good shot. Just try and get by the side of him. Just get
One!
There's a pair killed. Now he's going to shoot the low house first. It's going away. Lovely kills. This is a centre peg on ISU ski. Very, very difficult target. Gone. Missed it. House. Lovely shot. Lovely shot. Well shot, Derek. Well shot. 20. Lovely shot, Derek. And the mighty black once again, and he's going to call for target A, which has come out in bits. And again. Shot made easy work of that, didn't he?
Now what we got?
D,
D.
right to left.
That's right down there. Good shot, Derek.
F, rabbit.
Rabbit. Right, rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
The mighty black.
The mighty black
The
strikes
mighty
the
black.
rabbit dead.
Hey, the mighty black.
This sporting Millark is too easy target again. Shot.
One!
Too easy, Derek.
Right to left.
Too easy.
Right to left is D.
Wins that far corner. D.
Call.
D.
Right there. E. I never thought about moving around here on here. B.
Chuck your castles like
Four, I'll give you
selling
an
peas.
You in an 8?
E, I'll give you an E.
Yeah.
Only four, give it H.
Okay. Ball!
Nick,
Yeah, go
two
on.
shots at one target,
Well
so I'll give you an E bird,
Right.
you can then shoot bits, can't you?
Right.
Right. When you're ready.